How to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're also looking on how you can delete all of your posts at once on TikTok, let's just get ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, I would like you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option, and let's just get started. So first thing first, open up your TikTok, launch your account, and you can directly head over to profile page by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you can look up for your post, and we can see we don't have a direct feature available right now. But what you can do is go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're here, head over to settings and privacy. And once you're here, we don't have a direct option available to delete all the reposts at once on TikTok. But what we can do is head over to report a problem section. Once you're here, wait for the page to be loaded up. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on any of the problems available here. Once you're here, click on one of the questions. And you will be finding this option with solutions and this option called Is Your Problem Resolved? Go ahead and select No. And you will be finding this option called Need More Help. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you will be finding this TikTok help desk here. You can go ahead and report out your problem, like you want to delete all of your posts at once on TikTok, and type in that message. After that, they will give you a reply by saying that they will note your feedback for removing reposts in your account and continue the experience of continue making your experience more good in TikTok. So that is it. That is how you delete up your all reposts at once on TikTok, as we directly don't have the feature available yet. But in the future, maybe we will be having that options available, so you can just go ahead and look out for those. For now, you can just follow up this method and wait for the TikTok to respond and help you delete all of the reposts at once on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.